Semi-final na po. Red Dragon versus Yellow Tiger.
Harap tayo!
Men's Volleyball Championship. Green Falcon versus Sarja Blue Eyes.
Green ball.
Harap tayo! Harap tayo! Diretso na!
Badminton ladies, doubles. Sarja Blue Eyes versus Dubai Red Dragons. Sarja Blue Eyes versus Dubai Red Dragons, women badminton. Pinatawagan din po natin ang pansin ng pinatawag din natin ng mga players ng badminton men's. Doubles po tayo ngayon. Please proceed to the play area. Bilisan na po natin para matapos tayo ng maaga.
Last call. Men's Volleyball Championship. Abu Dhabi Green Falcon versus Sarja Blue Eyes. Last call, Sarja. Sarja, last call. Pag hindi kayo dumating, default kayo sa championship.
Last call. Dubai Men's Double Badminton. Pag hindi rin po kayo tumuloy sa ating play area, mananalo po ang Sarja by default. Ganon din po, last call sa ating Sarja Blue Eyes Badminton Women's Double. Last call na po kayo. Otherwise, mananalo po ang Red Dragon by default. Tinatawagan din po natin yung mga officials natin to go to the designated area and continue to the game. Maraming salamat po. Tinatawagan din po natin yung mga members natin na pwedeng tumulong. Doon sa mga natapos na natin mga laro, pakiligpit na po natin yung mga gamit na pwede nating iligpit. Yung mga players po natin na hindi na po active or hindi na po naglalaro, pakitulungan nyo po yung ating committee para magligpit po. Lalo na sa obstacle race at saka sa sprint, pakiligpit na lang po yung mga gamit natin dito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon.
Number 25. Substitution rep. 18 out. 18 out. Highway, Highway.
Ibaba ka to!
Sa mga player po ng obstacle course, please proceed po sa play area. Sharjah and Abu Dhabi. First game is Sharjah and Abu Dhabi. Obstacle course. Sa mga players po ng obstacle course,
Foul number
Sharjah versus Abu Dhabi, punta na po kayo sa play area.
20. Penalty, ref, penalty.
Mix po to, men and women, obstacle course.
Time remaining. 12 minutes.
Obstacle course player, Sharjah Blue Eyes and Abu Dhabi Green Falcons. Punta na po kayo sa play area.
Favor of yellow.
Obstacle course.
Okay, bigay pansin lamang po sa ating single men's badminton. We're calling on the champion. Abu Dhabi, Mr. Jocelyn Reyes. Can you come over here for the awarding? And the second placer from Sharjah.
Substitution,
And
ref.
third one, Dubai.
Substitution.
Joel Del Rosario from Sharjah, second placer, single badminton. Can you please come over here? Dalhin nyo na rin yung inyong
Favor of yellow.
mga PRO, mga camera dyan.
15 seconds.
Okay, come over, please. Dubai, Bon.
Foul.
I think Bon just won the single on the third place as third placer. Can you come over here please again? Abu Dhabi, champion, second, Sharjah, Dubai, the third one. And you just come over to receive your medal. Thank you for the single men's badminton.
One minute and 30 seconds.
When you come over here also, this committee, Auntie Nora, Lucy, can you just come over here to give the award to us men's single badminton?
Last 2 minutes.
We're waiting for the Dubai representative, Von. Where is Von? Von Voyage. Okay, congratulations for the single men badminton. Let me call the first, the third placer. It goes to the Dubai single player, Von. Okay, si Von. Sa pangalan pa lang talagang social.
1 minute and 25 seconds.
Kasi no. Okay.
Nice, nice!
Okay, so third placer. Palakpakan natin naman tatlong kamay. Okay, tatlong kamay. Okay, thank you very much. Third placer, and then... Oh, sige na. Okay, now the second placer goes to Joel Del Rosario, am I right? Okay, Joel.
One minute.
By the way, Joel is from Sharjah. And the third one, and the champion,
Stop, stop, stop.
the defending champion for many years,
Stop.
is Jocelyn Reyes. Congratulations, the champion, single men division on
30
badminton.
seconds.
Congratulations for continuous years